Former DEA agent Joseph Bongiovanni could spend up to 20 years in federal prison after a jury convicted him today on 7 of the 11 charges against him.
News 4's Marley Tuskus was inside the courtroom for that verdict today. She joins us live outside the federal courthouse with those details. Marley.
Well, Dave and Kelsey, the jury was unanimous on each of those 11 charges. That was something that we weren't sure was going to happen yesterday after they sent that last note, 7 of which included conspiracy to defraud the United States and obstruction of justice. Joseph Bongiovanni was found guilty on those charges. However, he was found not guilty on 4 counts, including the charges of public official accepting a bribe. For weeks, prosecutors have argued that Bongiovanni accepted roughly $250,000 in bribes by using his position in the DEA to shield childhood friends involved in alleged sex and drug trafficking from any law enforcement suspicion. After 3 days of deliberation and notes, as I noted, signaling that the jury may not be unanimous, they delivered their verdict this morning. As we noted yesterday, this was a retrial against Bongiovanni. He was found guilty of 3 charges by another jury back in April, though one of those was eventually thrown out. This means Bongiovanni has been convicted of a total of 9 felonies. But U.S. Attorney Trini Ross says today's decision does not call for a celebration because Bongiovanni misused his power as a government official. Bongiovanni's attorneys say the charges he's convicted of are simply paperwork errors, and they plan to fight against the convictions. The
only thing the jury came back and found today unanimously was that Joe Bongiovanni had a childhood friend, Lou Selva, who he may have known had something going on with marijuana at his house in his basement and didn't say anything to the DEA about it. That's what the jury came back today. They also came back with the fact that he may have misstated things in reports about initiating contact ever once with Peter Gerace.
Bongiovanni's attorneys say he is still processing the conviction. Judge Lawrence Villardo made the decision not to detain Bongiovanni, instead releasing him on house arrest with an ankle monitoring device. Bongiovanni's sentencing date is set for 8 months from now, June 9th. That will allow both the prosecution and the defense to make and file any motions or have any oral arguments for those motions. So again, the sentencing date is set for June 9th. Reporting live in downtown Buffalo, Marley Tuskus, News 4.